Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Symantec Endpoint Protection step by step from start to finish. First of all, make sure to check the description below. The download link for the latest version is always available there. I also include the version number and the release date so you can easily verify if the version you're installing is up to date. Now, let's start the installation. After downloading the file, open the folder and run the setup. Once the installer launches, click Next and continue with the default settings as they are recommended for most users. As you can see, the installation process begins. This may take a few minutes, so just wait until it's completed. Once the installation is finished, the program will open automatically. Okay, please watch the video carefully. I'm not forwarding these parts so you can clearly see how long it takes for the installation to complete properly. After that, make sure to follow the settings I apply in the next steps. This will help ensure everything is configured correctly. So please be patient until the installation finishes and don't cancel it if you're doing it on your computer at the same time as me. Now we are inside the main interface of Symantec Endpoint Protection. Here you can see the overall protection status of your system. All the main security modules like virus and spyware protection, network protection, and exploit mitigation are active. Now let's take a quick look at the settings. Inside the settings section, you can customize how the antivirus behaves. For example, how it handles detected threats, scan options, and security levels. If you are an advanced user, you can fine-tune everything here based on your needs. After configuration, you can return to the main dashboard and confirm that your system is fully protected. One important thing to mention: this version of the antivirus is completely free to use. It does not require any license key, and it is not cracked. You can use it legally without any restrictions. Also, one of the best advantages of this antivirus is that it is very lightweight. It does not consume a lot of system resources, so even if you are gaming or running heavy applications, it will continue working smoothly in the background. Finally, if this video helped you, don't forget to support the channel, subscribe, leave a comment, and share your thoughts. And if you'd like to support us further, you can find the donation link in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.